everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make amakara chicken. It's salty, sweet, and spicy chicken bite. You just need to cut, fry, and season, so it's super easy to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this amakara chicken, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken breasts, 4 tablespoons each of sake and potato starch, or you can use cornstarch instead. Some salt and pepper. For the sauce, 3 tablespoons each of ketchup and mirin, 1 tablespoon each of sugar and garlic paste, and some gochujang, Korean spicy paste. To garnish, some sesame seeds and green onion. As always, I'm doing all the cutting first, so green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. And let's just make thin slices. This is to garnish, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. And chicken. You can do this with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I like to do it with the skin off. So let's remove the skin and trim these fat. Let's cut it into bite-sized pieces, into 2 or 3 in long way, then bite-sized pieces. Same for the other chicken. Put the chicken in the bowl. Salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. 4 tablespoons of sake. 4 tablespoons of potato starch. Mix well. And let it sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the sauce. 4 tablespoons each of mirin and ketchup. One tablespoon each of sugar and garlic paste. And gochujang, Korean spicy paste. 1 or 2 tablespoons, depending on how spicy you want to make it. Give it a mix. And the sauce is ready. Very easy. Let's heat up generous amount of vegetable oil in the frying pan, 4 to 5 tablespoons. Let's put the chicken. And just cook them until these are nicely browned and crispy on both sides. That's good. Let's remove the excess oil using kitchen paper. Lower the heat and add the sauce. Cook for a minute. Okay, let's kill the heat and add the green onion and sesame seeds. Give it a mix. Serve on the plate. And amakara chicken is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Mmm! salty sweet, spicy but not too spicy, and super garlicky. I need some beer. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Amakara chicken is the main, so let's put it here. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. The main is rich, so let's go healthy for the side dishes. How about lettuce salad for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.